Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best soldering kit is probably one of the most rewarding and engaging ways to delve into the world of electronics, offering a fantastic opportunity to learn a practical skill while creating something tangible. This kit provides everything you need to get started, from the soldering iron and solder to a variety of components and detailed instructions, making it perfect for both beginners and those looking to expand their electronics knowledge and build cool gadgets. Number 5. Etoput Retro Classic Soldering Kit. Get ready to dive into the world of electronics. This kit has everything you need to build your own retro gaming console. It comes with 5 preloaded classic games. You'll be playing in no time. A detailed guide walks you through each step of the soldering process, making it perfect for beginners. It boasts a high-speed STC chip, a vibrant 16:8 matrix display, and durable, easy-to-use buttons. With its user-friendly design and clear instructions, you'll be soldering components and playing your creations in a flash. It's powered via mini USB 5V, and includes a convenient AAA battery box for portable play. This kit is a fantastic way to learn about electronics and have fun at the same time. Perfect for STEM learning, family bonding, or just a fun project with friends. What we like. It has 5 classic games built in and comes in a protective acrylic case, making it perfect for STEM learning or family fun. If you are looking for a fun and educational project to do with your family or friends, you should consider this one. It's a great way to learn about electronics while enjoying some classic games. What people say. The solder points are all nicely spaced and should be plenty forgiving, with the sole exception of maybe the USB port. The instructions maybe should make mention that this part is optional because it's only used for powering the device. The kit has a full-color instruction sheet with pictures, and is laid out in a way that if you follow the numbers for each step it works rather well. Instructions for each component have clear visuals, and consider explanations of not only what you are doing, but why you are doing it. For example, explaining that the 3 center pins of a USB will not be soldered because the USB cable is only used for the power supply. Number 4. MiOYOOW DIY Bluetooth Speaker Kit. This kit lets you create your own Bluetooth speaker. It's a fun and challenging project, perfect for learning and enjoying. It features dual 3W speakers for powerful sound and colorful LED lights for a cool visual effect. You'll have amazing audio and stunning visuals. It's ideal for STEM education, helping you develop hands-on skills and understand electronic components and theory. It's a great way to learn by doing. The Bluetooth module is pre-soldered, simplifying the process. You just need to solder the LED lights, connect wires, and assemble the case. It's easier than you think. It supports Bluetooth, TF cards, and USB drives for music playback. You can control it via Bluetooth or the included infrared remote. Enjoy your music your way. Download the updated user manual for easy assembly. It guides you through each step, and addresses different Bluetooth module versions. We've made it simple to follow. What we like. This kit lets you build your own Bluetooth speaker with colorful LED lights. The Bluetooth module is pre-soldered, simplifying the assembly process. If you're a beginner and want a relatively easy project with a cool result, this is the one for you. What people say. ASE Certified Master Technician with 30 years experience. This was a fun kit to make. Easy soldering with nothing too small or difficult. Sounds good for what it is. Connects well every time. Possibly the best $24 I've ever spent. I built it in an evening. The hardest part is assembling the case. Good soldering practice for anyone who has an idea of how to do it. The sound quality and volume are great for the price, surprisingly loud, no real distortion at max volume. The Bluetooth is also very good, long range, easy connections. The parts are packaged well and everything was included along with some extra LEDs. Instructions are provided with QR code and are mostly easy to follow. There was a simple project that can be completed within 2 hours and is actually a useful functional Bluetooth speaker with remote control that is fun to use and listen to. The lights which follow the music is an extra bonus. Number 3. DIY Piano Soldering Kit. This isn't just a kit, it's a journey into the world of electronics and music. Get ready to build your very own piano and experience the satisfaction of creating something amazing. It plays piano, of course, but it also produces 7 other instrument sounds, plus 4 percussion sounds. Explore a world of musical possibilities. Perfect for electronics enthusiasts and beginners alike, this kit is a fun and educational way to learn soldering and build something cool. It's a great way to improve your skills. Clear markings on the board make assembly a breeze. You'll be amazed by the high-quality sound when you press that first key. Beautifully packaged and ready to give, it's a unique and memorable present for friends and family. The finished product is a beautiful, functional musical instrument. It needs 3 AA batteries. Make sure they are new and high quality to avoid sound issues. Contact us if you have any questions. What we like. It offers various musical sounds beyond just piano and is very easy to put together. The clear markings on the board make assembly simple. If you're looking for a fun and rewarding project that makes a great gift, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The PCB is really good quality. The pins are far enough apart that people who are new to soldering won't have too much trouble avoiding solder bridges. The board is good quality, we didn't have any problem with solder points becoming unattached, burning, or wires in the board lifting. There are a lot of solder joints to make, so it's very good practice for anyone who is just beginning or looking to get in some more practice and learning. This is a great kit for learning solely due to the number of connections you need to make, and the variety of connection types, ranging from direct soldering to tinning and applying the speaker wire, both of which are essential skills to have for soldering. Number 2. ICSTATION FM Radio Kit. Get ready to build your own amazing FM radio. It's a fun and educational project perfect for electronics enthusiasts of all levels. This isn't your average radio. It features a dazzling LED light show that pulses to the music, creating a vibrant listening experience. With its high-definition LCD screen, you can easily adjust the frequency and volume. It's simple and intuitive to use. It's a fantastic DIY kit for improving your soldering skills while creating a fully functional radio. It's a great way to learn and have fun. Looking for a unique and personalized gift? This kit comes in a beautiful acrylic case, making it a memorable and lasting present. It receives FM frequencies from 87 MHz to 108 MHz, runs on 4.5V, 5.5V DC power, and includes a 1-meter power cord. The case measures 9.5 cm x 6.4 cm x 5.0 cm. What we like. This kit includes a functional radio with cool LED lights and an LCD display for easy frequency and volume control. The dynamic LED lights add a unique visual element to the listening experience. If you want a project that results in a useful and visually appealing device, this is a great option. Number 1. MiOYOOW Soldering Kit LED Lamp. Learn valuable soldering skills while building your own LED desk lamp. It's a fun, hands-on project that improves your electronics knowledge and leaves you with a stylish, useful light. This rechargeable lamp is incredibly portable. Take it anywhere, indoors or outdoors, for studying, working, or even during a power outage. It offers adjustable brightness, a flexible gooseneck for perfect positioning, and even functions as a phone holder. The attractive design makes it a great gift, too. The kit is easy to assemble, with a clearly labeled PCB board and simple instructions. It's perfect for DIY enthusiasts, but some basic electronics knowledge is helpful. A paper manual is included, and you can also scan a QR code for a detailed PDF. The illustrated guide makes assembly quick and efficient. What we like. This kit allows you to build a desk lamp with adjustable brightness, a flexible gooseneck, and a rechargeable battery. It even functions as a phone holder. If you need a practical and versatile project that's also portable, this is the one for you. What people say. This was a lot of fun to build, it's one of the better solder practice kits on Amazon. The light puts out a surprisingly high amount of pure white light. It's also completely variable from very low to very bright. This kit was easy to assemble. I've actually done 3 of them. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.